Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the mirror command. We'll see how to use the mirror command. Shortcut key for mirror is MI. So here I have taken an object, I have taken a triangle. I want to mirror it. So what I'll do is, you can either take mirror from this modify panel or you can use the shortcut key. I'll take the shortcut key. MI, enter. Now here you will get the instruction, select object. Select this object, say enter. Now specify first point of mirror line. If you want to mirror this object in your right direction, then you'll have to give mirror line from here to this point. Here you will get erase source object. If you click on S, this original object or source object will get deleted. If you click on no, then it will retain the original object. Also, it will give you mirror object. So here I'll do this no. So here I'll get both the objects. Suppose if you want to mirror this downwards, then give mirror command. Select this object, say enter, and give this mirror line from here to here. Say enter. You'll get the mirror of this both the object. Now if you want to mirror this object parallel to its inclined line, then what you do is, I'll take this line for the reference. Put the ortho mode off. Now I'll take the mirror command, enter, click on this object, enter. Now specify this point as the first point of mirror line and this as the second point of mirror line and say enter. Now you will get the mirror image of this object in angular direction. Now if you want to mirror this object but you don't want the original one, you want to erase it, then what you do is give mirror command, enter, select this object, enter. Now give the line, I'll put the ortho mode off, give the mirror line, enter. Now here erase source object, you say S. Now you see, you got the mirror image of the object, but the original one is erased. Now that was about mirroring the object. Suppose if you want to mirror a text, then there is one condition. You'll have to put the mirror text mode on. Shortcut command for mirror text mode is mir text. Here I have given that you can note down. Shortcut command for mirror text mode is mir text. When you will give this command mir text, you will ask for the value. If you give the value 1, then mir text mode will be on. And if you give value as 0, mir text mode will be off. So let's see how it works. Now here I have this text. I want a mirror image of it. So I'll give command. If you give direct mirror command, then it will be shown like this. See any text in the mirror, then it will be shown in the opposite direction. But here it looks just like a copy of the original one. So to get the perfect mirror image, you will have to put the mirror text mode on. So I'll give you the command mirror. Now here you'll get this command. Say enter. Now here you have to enter new value for mir text. I'll give this as 1. Enter. Now you'll have to give mirror command. Select this object, enter. Now click here. enter. You see, you got the mirror image of this text. Again, if I try this, I'll take mirror, enter. I'll select this text, enter. You see, you got the mirror image of this text. Now again, if you want to put off the mirror text mode, you give mirror text command and enter the value as 0. Say enter. Now we'll try this. We'll do mirror of this. Give command mirror, enter. Select object, enter. Give mirror line. You see, your mirror text mode is off. So hope you understood the concept of mirror. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.